happening, people? Your boy Trill. Peace and blessings to all, and to all, peace and blessings. Today we have another stretch and flow. Just gonna keep it simple. Stretch and flow, get everything right for your morning, or if you're watching this at night, get you ready to go to sleep. And if it's in the evening or in the afternoon, just get you stretched so you can keep going about your day in the proper way. So, just gonna keep it simple. Back up a little bit. We're gonna get into ow, cobbler pose. We're gonna bring the plantar surfaces of your feet together. Clap, like your hands clap, feet clap. Grab your toes here. And we're gonna do 5 breaths for each, just so we can flow and go about our business. You're gonna grab your toes and you're gonna bring the heels of your feet close to your groin and lean in 5 breaths. Your pranayama. Through the nose, out the mouth. Let's go. Now we're gonna spread the legs. Sitting up straight. You're gonna tap the left foot with the right hand and the right foot with the left hand, just to get a slight spinal twist going. We're gonna tuck the right leg in. Arms extended to the top. We're gonna lean to the left, stretching the left hammy and the right obliques. 5 breaths. And it's always good to pull yourself in more if you can do so. Coming up slowly. Extend the right leg, bring in the left leg. Arms up. And always engage going to your pose through the exhale. So we're going up on the inhale. Now to the right. Back up slowly. Now we're gonna bring our feet together. You know y'all love the White Sox. R.I.P. Mike Jack. Bring the feet together and we're gonna lean forward. I know a lot of people can't do this that well, but as you start, keep it back straight. And me, I'm gonna reach for it. Back of my ankles to pull myself closer since I'm more flexible. If you're not able to do so, stretch your arms out to your feet as much as you can, but hold the position. Let's go. And as you're doing so, if you can grab the back of your ankles, pull yourself in as much as you can, and slightly pull yourself in more so as you exhale if you can do so. Now let's go. Back up slowly. Now we're gonna do in yoga what we call the table pose to aid the stretch that we just did, leaning forward. So we're gonna go back instead of doing the back bend. So you're gonna bring your legs up, 45-degree angle. Boop. You're gonna bring your hands, make sure that they're shoulder width apart. You're gonna have your hands lined up with your feet. simply gonna give a pelvic thrust going all the way up, straightening your back. Everything should be parallel to the ground. And just release and focus on your breath. Go. Move up slightly. You can squeeze the cheeks. If not, just release. I feel like it's best to squeeze. Back down, slowly. It's a good stretch for the biceps as well as they're stabilizing the body. So since we stretch those, it's Indian style, Siddhasana. Stretch the arms out, the right arm up, fold it behind your head and bring your left arm to your right elbow to pull down. Get that tricep stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your arms up slowly. YMCA. Bring your neck up slowly. Bring your neck back down. Same thing with the left arm coming down. Use your right hand on your left elbow. Push down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms and neck up. Praying hands. Give yourself a slight spinal twist. Just hold it for 1 breath. And we live, baby. That's it. Stretch or flow, real quick and simple. You got everything that you need stretched. You can always do your neck to your calling because it's your neck. I can't do necessarily what I do when I'm at the place where I drew from time to time. Assisted stretching, get your neck right. But every part of your body should feel flowy and ready to go. I hope you have a great day, as I'm already having a great day, because it's always a great day to have a great day. Keep it trill, and remember, peace, not apart, but together. Ishmael.